I don't know if you saw this or not. That I'm not using to cut the carpet or anything. I use the carpet scissors. What is this? This is a pillaring machine. What is that? And what do you use it for? And what is pillaring? Well, you just have to watch another video that I just made and I put on my channel. Look for it. Okay, let's see if I can find any more spots. Go over here. There's one right there, see? So I would wager that I'm going to see these every once in a while. That's going to be close to door entrances, carpet, between carpet and tile, around a fireplace, down next to the baseboard, down by door jambs, down by the transitions. I thought I'd seen some other, look at this, look, even like carpet rugs, you know, I could use that and trim stuff off of there if I want. There's another thing, you never want to start jerking on those because the stuff will come off. And I've had to fix those too, and I've fixed those with crazy glue as well. Okay, there's another place. There's a little spot right there. I think there might be some over here at this doorway. You know. See all these little pieces? Oh, you know, I saw some other places. I'll just get this first. Oh, here's some more. Good grief. We got this rug. This used to be where a dinette area used to be, where this bay window is, but it's in the kitchen. And have you ever seen a little island like this? And I thought that was kind of cool. And we eat breakfast here all the time. And we've got a table in the dining room over there. So it was like, why put another table over here? They had a kitchen table over here before we moved in. And we thought, we bought this rug and we weren't quite sure where to put it. We thought, hey, let's just put it over here. It's round. It'll match this round thing here. We can look out the windows to the views. People can sit here and see what Mommy's cooking up for dinner or whatever. But we got this rug and it's a really thick rug, and we would vacuum it and all the red stuff would come up from out of it. And later I deduced, if there is such a word, that when I vacuum this, I should just put it on the air and not the oscillating thing that turns the drum, you know, to make it kind of automatic, because it was pulling up too much of the red stuff. It wasn't dirt that was pulling up. It was just all the strands. And so there were certain areas where I thought, oh, I have to get my carpet scissors. See like right there? Get that out of there. I need to get my carpet scissors out and do a little maintenance where it needed. And so on these types of rugs, carpet scissors out, you know? There weren't a whole lot of strands on this. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Lots of things you can use your carpet scissors for. I could use my pillaring machine on this stuff too, or if I see little bits on there that need to be shaved off, I could use my carpet scissors too. You know, I don't see much there, but I could use that pillaring gadget on that too. Get the little fine hairs off of there, because I can, in the sunlight, I can see all kinds of fine hairs. Well, if you get something like that that's bothering you, use your carpet scissors for it. Get it off. Okay. I think I'm not going to look too hard. I just wanted to show you different areas where you can use your carpet scissors. Okay. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.